All right, so you guys gotta go over there. Gotta be real quiet.
Spies.
Somebody's crack-a-lacking already.
Somebody's cracking their back already.
Okay, deep breath in. All the way out.
Yeah, so
Pick your head straight back. Oh, no, you're fine. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Straight back. Let that right ear fall. Drop that left shoulder. Ooh.
how does it feel, Badoo?
Feels good. Straight back. And then drop that. Oh my God.
Can you kind of take a break from cracking bones? Because it sounds like it hurts.
Huh?
It sounds like it hurts when you crack the bones.
It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Remember when I did yours? It didn't hurt, did it? Go ahead and flip over.
It sounds like it. I just hear the bones cracking.
Well, that's not bones cracking. What did I do? Did you hear that? That felt good. That's a good reaction.
It sounds like you moved your neck around. Did you put your neck over?
Mm-mm.
I said in my ear that does it hurt?
No.
What does it feel like?
Your hands up. Release. Interlace your fingers behind your head.
Release.
Leave them right there. Not tight. All right. You're going to fall back on me. Relax your arms.
Hold on, get back. Get back.
Relax your arms. Deep breath in. Big stretch. Good. One more time. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. All the way in. Let it go.
Did that hurt?
No.
What did you do?
You didn't do that last time.
What did you do?
She cracked my back.
When she puts on gloves, that means it's gonna be bad.
This means
No.
serious.
So I'm going to adjust your ears now.
My ears?
I wish I was going to
Whoa.
I wish
Hmm?
I was going
Since you're on the planes all the time.
Hey, gloves.
Gloves.
Good job. Go Snoop. Snoop.
Snoop, go. You're too big.
Just let your ear fall.
Crack the skull.
Crack the skull?
You
You don't crack the
That's quite-
skull.
That's quite a bit, B.
guys maybe have to crack the head a little bit.
Here we go. Let your ear fall.
You can see your gloves.
There we go.
Wow.
What does that mean? Okay,
That's so weird.
So you might experience like a whooshing noise,
Uh-huh.
like kind of like a ear,
Yeah.
a shell to your
I'm gonna
ear,
see if I can-
or some drainage a little bit in there. Usually because the people fly a lot.
Right.
All right, lay on your back.
Can I watch what?
Jackson.
Jackson.
Okay, we can see you. With your checkers.
You can see me. There we go. You guys are so funny. You guys are so funny.
You were born with black limitation.
Really? No, you wasn't.
You were born crying. So, I did die so and then I did like
Really?
stuff.
Yeah.
Feels like your hip pops and puts back in place.
Bees could be running
That's
around
what
trying to pop
Terminator
stuff.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I also watched another horror movie.
Okay.
We're always careful. And not always careful. Daddy. What you want from us? Daddy, Mama. I want to take the daddy the car. Daddy. Her glove fell off. Daddy. This looks like what I watch on YouTube. Daddy. This looks like what I watch on YouTube. This is what it looks like.
It does?
Daddy. Daddy. What is this thing?
What is what thing?
That fur thing.
It's the microphone.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay then.
Not that you're a little kid.
Right. Was it this wrist?
It was this one, but I have a old damage on this wrist.
I feel like the promise is being broken of us being quiet. Us should be quiet. Okay. I feel kind of unfun. I feel kind of uncomfortable with the noise. I'm kind of uncomfortable.
You're kind of uncomfortable with the noise? Mm.
With what noise? My,
Cracking noise.
yeah.
It's not for everybody.
No, it sounds scary, but it's not scary.
Bee's been adjusted.
Sounds like a 2 minute.
That just tells you Badoo needs a lot of cracking.
I need a lot of cracking. Don't crack her or don't crack her full or like I saw in Black Widow.
Oh, I missed that movie.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you have to watch it before you leave. We can see you high-fiving us.
That's fine. It's okay.
I want to put my hand on the camera, but I can't.
I'll tell you when.
Okay.
I'll tell you when you can put your hand in front of the camera.
Ew. Yep.
There we go. That's it. Huh?
Moving more?
Mm-hmm.
You listen to my cassette for now.
A little bit of pressure here. There we go. Felt that?
Mm-hmm.
Please don't do that, Bee. All right. Okay. In a minute, we're gonna.
Bones move. They're supposed to move.
When you walk.
How you feel?
A lot better. Like I can tell with my ankles even. that like, cause it's always tight, so I'm always like flopping my feet.
Okay.
Let me feel.
So I'm gonna go ahead, when you get done, I'm gonna come back over here and put some CBD cream on a couple of these areas.
I
Um,
don't feel your
I
bones
see
anymore.
that.
You're gone.